Hello everybody, welcome to Actinate Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Gravitation. What is the question, sir? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2022. The question is, in a gravitational field, the gravitational potential is given by V is equal to minus K by X. Its unit is, of course, you know, joule per kilogram. The gravitational field intensity at a point 2, 0, 3 meter is how much? You are given four options: plus K by 2, minus K by 2, minus K by 4, plus K by 4. So these are all the four options. So here, one thing you must find out. Here, V, it is gravitational potential, is a function of X only. It depends on. No, it's not a function of Y or Z. So hence, we consider only the X component of the point 2, 0, 3. What is the X component? 2. Y component is 0, Z component is 3, and also you need not worry about it. Okay? So X component of the point, that is 2 only. Okay, now let us come to the problem. Gravitational potential V is equal to minus K by X. That is a relation between gravitational field G and gravitational potential. You know that gravitational field is the negative gradient of potential. It is applicable to electrostatics also. And let it be okay. As far as gravitational field is concerned, Ex is equal to minus dV by dx. Negative potential gradient of the potential. Okay, so minus d into, substitute the value of k, v, minus k by x. So minus or minus plus, this k is a constant, you can take it outside. So k into d into 1 by x by dx. Or you can write x power minus 1 divided by dx. What is 1 by x dx? 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square, is it not? X power minus. So, you know the differentiation formula. So, minus into 1 by x square. Okay? Now, minus 1 into x power minus 2 means what? Minus 1 by x square. So, Ex is equal to minus k by x square. What is the value of x? 2. About 2 square. So, minus k by 4. So, the gravitational field intensity at a point 2, 0, 3 is minus k by 4. Option 3 is the right answer. So, already I told you that this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. Okay. So, we will see one more question in this chapter, the gravitation, in our next video. After that, you will see questions from some other chapter. Okay. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.